Are you a little confused and not sure where to actually place your draping panels? Not only that, like what fabric to get to really make your draping pop? If that's the case, sit back and watch this snippet that I'm going to share with you that's from one of my programs that show you the step-by-step process and how I created this backdrop behind me, right? So if you're not familiar, I am Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I teach creatives such as yourself how to create premium draping to not only command more money and command higher prices, but how to make more money doing exactly what you love. And I normally was tailored to event creatives or event professionals, but since being on YouTube, I was really able to impact guys such as yourself that just maybe want to DIY or just do some things for family or whatever the case may be. So I want you guys to tell me in the comments below exactly what is your biggest problem with draping. I'm quite sure I already covered a video on it, so I'm gonna come back with an amazing reply for you. So put that in the comments, and guess what? It's me replying, it's not anyone else. So put it in the comments and I will reply and let you know exactly how I can help you, right? If you are new to draping though, and you are in the industry and maybe you just don't know how to get started or where to get started, I created a guide, and it tells you not only what to buy, it tells you where to buy it, it tells you how much to buy, and exactly how you can get started in premium draping so you can create a career of beyond your wildest dreams, just doing exactly what you love doing, right? So check out this snippet on how I created this backdrop real quick. It's going to be really fast paced because you're showing you the behind the scenes footage on how it was actually created. But if you are interested in learning how to do it step by step, the program is amazing for people that's maybe can't attend the hands-on class or can't attend one-on-one draping. The links is in the description below, and how you can get into the virtual class and learn this baby step by step. And when I say step by step, I mean step by step. So you can really level up with one, not having to break the bank, two, being able to practice from the comfort of your own home, and three, being able to have access to the library whenever you need be. So look in the description because all those links are below waiting for you. I hope to see you guys in the inside. Let me know your biggest draping woe, and guess what? I have something in store for you.